are pleased to show you the 2014 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.